Hello, kids! Como vocês estão? Eu espero que estejam bem. Aqui é a Teacher Carol e eu estou sentindo muita falta de vocês, então vamos relembrar juntos a nossa rotina diária, certo? Ok, então vamos cantar a nossa primeira musiquinha do dia. Are you ready? Ok. 1, 2, 3, and clap your hands. Go, clap your hands.
Let's start the day in a happy way. Let's start the day in a happy way. Let's start the day in a happy way. Get ready to learn and play. Let's start the day in a happy way. Let's start the day in a happy way. Let's start the day in a happy way. Get ready to learn and play.
Okay, I hope you all sang along with me. Okay? Very good. Hello everyone. Teacher Carol is back. How are you feeling today? I hope you are feeling good because we are going to sing the hello song together, alright? In 1, 2, 3, and let's start the day in a happy way. Let's start the day in a happy way. Let's start the day in a happy way. Get ready to learn and play. Yes, very good. Guys, what day is it today? Do you know? I know what you're thinking. Let's ask the calendar. Calendar. What day is it today, calendar? Is it Monday? No. Tuesday? No. Wednesday? Yes. You are right. It's Wednesday. Repeat. Wednesday. Very good. And what month are we in? In June. Good job. June. Repeat. June. Very good. And what's the weather like today? What's the weather like? Go check out the window and you tell me, is it sunny? Is it rainy? Or is it partly cloudy? In your house, go check out. And today in here, it's partly cloudy. Half sunny, half cloudy. Alright, so we sing the weather song together. It's partly cloudy, right? Okay, 1, 2, 3, and what's the weather? What's the weather on this Wednesday? On this Wednesday, let's look out the window. Let's look out the window. It's partly cloudy. It's partly cloudy. Yes, very good, guys. Now, I want you to remember the name of my dog. What's his name? What's his name? It's Thor, the dog. Hello, Thor. Welcome back. Dog. Repeat. Dog. Very good. And my cat. What's her name? Her name is Snow. Yes. Hello, Snow. The cat. Cat. Very good. And we have a new friend today that is the bird. The bird. What color is the bird? Yellow. He's very cute. Hello, bird. Repeat. Bird. Very good. One more time. Bird. All right. Very good. Bye-bye, bird. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, cat. Bye-bye. And bye-bye, dog. Bye-bye. All right, guys. Let's sing the bye-bye song. 1, 2, 3, and it is time to wave goodbye. Wave goodbye. wave goodbye. It is time to wave goodbye. Goodbye to all our friends. Bye bye.